Did you accidentally delete a conversation in Grok? Don't worry. You may still be able to restore it using the Recently Deleted section. This is useful if you removed an important chat by mistake and want to bring it back. Let me show you how. First, open the Grok app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap your profile picture. Scroll down and go to Recently Deleted. Here, you will see conversations that were recently deleted. Tap on the conversation you want to recover. A pop-up message will appear with the option Restore Conversation. Tap Restore Conversation to bring the chat back. Once restored, the conversation will return to your normal chat list. This helps you recover important chats and avoid losing useful information. And that's how to restore deleted conversations in Grok on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.